In this video, I will show you how to play with friends in Paper.io 2. First, you want to launch open Paper.io 2 app on your phone. Once the game opens, make sure you're signed into your account. Now, you want to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the Invite Friends option. Now, tap on the option of Send Invite. The game will generate a shareable invitation link. You can copy this link and send it to your friends, or you can also directly send your friends this link using different applications such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Messenger, Discord, Gmail, and more. In my case, I'm using WhatsApp to send this link. Once your friend opens the invitation link, they'll be taken directly into the game where you can join and play together. And that's it. That's how you can play with friends in Paper.io 2. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.